Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. Meet the Jorvik electric folding camper tricycle, one of the most versatile and compact mobile living solutions for 2025. Designed for eco-conscious adventurers and minimalist travelers, this all-in-one trike combines the freedom of an electric bike with the convenience of a foldable camper unit. It's small enough for city streets, yet tough enough for countryside trails. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a long-term micro-camping lifestyle, this trike is built to adapt. The Jorvik brand is already well respected in the world of electric tricycles, but in 2025, they've taken things a step further. They've integrated a micro-camper module directly into the frame of their new electric folding trike. It's lightweight, foldable, and designed for easy transport and storage. But most importantly, it offers an incredibly efficient way to explore while leaving a minimal carbon footprint. Powering this camper tricycle is a high-torque 250W or optional 500W brushless rear hub motor, depending on the model. It's paired with a 36V or 48V lithium-ion battery that provides an average range of 40 to 60 kilometers on a single charge. On flat terrain, with pedal assistance, some users are reporting even longer rides. The battery is removable, so you can recharge it indoors or swap it out for a spare when going off-grid. One of the standout features is the folding frame. The Jorvik folding mechanism is sturdy and intuitive, taking less than a minute to collapse or unfold. This makes it perfect for vanlifers, RV owners, or anyone tight on storage space. It also means you can bring it on a train, store it in an apartment, or tuck it into the back of a car when needed. Despite being foldable, this tricycle is no lightweight when it comes to carrying capacity. With a reinforced cargo rack, it can handle loads up to 150 kilograms. The cargo space is cleverly integrated with the camper pod. Essentially a compact living module with multifunctional use. When fully deployed, the pod becomes a single-person sleeper cabin with ventilation, insulation, and collapsible sidewalls. There's also room to add a solar panel on top to keep your gadgets charged or power a small fan or light inside. Inside the camper pod, space is maximized through clever design. There's a rollout sleeping mat, storage compartments for clothes and cooking gear, and even a mini desk surface that folds out from the sidewall. The interior is weather-sealed and uses recycled materials for insulation, keeping it cozy in a range of climates. Windows with mesh allow for airflow without letting in bugs, and a retractable canopy can be attached for extra shade or rain protection. The trike rides smoothly thanks to 24-inch front and rear wheels with puncture-resistant tires and front suspension. The differential gearing system ensures stability, especially on inclines or uneven trails. Hydraulic disc brakes provide strong stopping power, even when the trike is fully loaded. For control and convenience, there's an LCD display on the handlebars showing battery life, speed, distance, and motor assist level. Riders can choose from 5 pedal assist levels or use the throttle-only mode where permitted. Integrated front and rear LED lights ensure visibility at night, and optional indicators are available for added road safety. Another useful feature is the modularity. The rear camper pod is detachable. So, if you want to use the Jorvik trike strictly for errands or commuting, you can remove the pod and gain access to a regular cargo rack. This transforms it from a micro-camper to a utility trike in just a few steps. It's ideal for urban dwellers who want one vehicle for both everyday use and weekend getaways. Jorvik has also included a waterproof control box beneath the seat where you can plug in a GPS tracker, USB charger, or even a small power inverter. It's a small touch that adds big convenience, especially when you're camping off the grid and need to power a phone or LED lantern overnight. With the rise of the micro-camping movement in van life, more people are turning to electric trikes like this one for freedom and flexibility. The Jorvik electric folding camper tricycle answers that call by offering a compact, self-contained mobile shelter that doesn't rely on fossil fuels or oversized vehicles. It opens up opportunities for low-cost travel, stealth camping, or even just spontaneous overnight adventures without the need for reservations. The overall weight of the trike with the camper pod attached is around 45 kilograms, which is manageable for most riders. And because of its 3-wheel stability, it doesn't require a kickstand or balancing when parked. You can step off and start setting up camp instantly, no hassle. Some accessories worth considering include the optional fold-out kitchen module, which attaches to the side of the camper pod, and the rooftop solar charging kit. There's also an upgrade option for all-weather tires, ideal for riders planning to use the Trike through winter or across muddy trails. In terms of pricing, the base model starts at a competitive range for an electric Trike, with camper upgrades available a la carte. Jorvik also offers payment plans and customization options. For those interested in more sustainable living, this could be an affordable and game-changing way to travel. Ultimately, the Jorvik electric folding camper tricycle reflects where travel is headed in 2025: minimalist, mobile, and mindful. It's perfect for the solo explorer, digital nomad, or anyone tired of the high costs and stress of traditional travel. With zero emissions, low maintenance, and the freedom to camp almost anywhere, this Trike is more than a ride, it's a lifestyle.